Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 1125H2 update error code 0x800f0991. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Go to System and then click on Troubleshoot. After that, select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Windows will now scan your system and try to fix problems that are stopping the update from installing. When the process is finished, restart your computer and try installing the update again. If the error still appears, you can use the built-in repair option called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Open Settings again and go to System. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under the section called Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now. This option reinstalls the current version of Windows while keeping your personal files, installed apps, and settings. Follow the instructions on the screen and allow Windows to complete the process. If the update still does not install, you can install it manually. Open your web browser and search for the Microsoft Update Catalog website. In the search bar, type the update number such as KB5074109. Download the version that matches your system type, usually x64 for most computers. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. The Windows 1125H2 update should now install without the error. Thanks for watching.